Headache is not a symptom of the tooth pain. It's called as a referred pain, because of the teeth, because the big nerve which connects to the teeth originates from the brain. So sometimes the patient can feel even pain in the head as well, or some people might feel it in the ears also, and some might feel it in the temple part. This is the temple part, okay, and some may also feel it in this bone. If the infection is with the upper teeth, they may also feel it in this bone. But generally the pain is restricted to the tooth area because it starts off with sensitivity. So we tend to get these small signs that you need to get the treatment done. And the problem with root canal infections is because the tooth is a closed chamber, it's not like a normal soft tissue where if there is an infection, the pus spreads all over. Since the tooth is very close and very hard inside, the pus will not have any way to spread. So it causes severe, pressure inside the tooth, due to which there is severe kind of pain. The tooth itself pains very badly. And there might be referred pain to, as I already said, to the ear and eye, this eye area and the head also. So in such cases, I would recommend that the first sign and symptom of sensitivity which the patient gets when he or she drinks something sweet, or eats something sweet, drinks something cold or hot, anything. First sign and symptom, just go to a dentist, get the thing arrested by removing that decay, get a filling done or something. Or if the pain is becoming more continuous, just get a root canal. My suggestion would be, you should never neglect these dental problems.